on the box, you face the projector, stand at the center of the carriage, and then put your right foot on the bed, beside the shoulder rest with your heel on a tiptoe. Weight stays on the left leg. Exhale, press out with the right. And slowly. And two. And continue. So feel the tension on both sides of the body, left leg and the right leg. One leg is stabilizing, one leg is pushing. Last 4. Try to fully go straight. Last 2. And last 1. And that's okay, very good. Let's now step down. And then let's so we're done with this series. Good job, guys. So if you want to take a short break, let's go. Just 30 seconds. Continue with feet straps. Okay. So now let's have one blue, one red spray. And maybe let's add a yellow. So one blue, one red, one yellow. Okay, so let's slide down the bed, place your feet on the bar. And then make sure your headrests are down. Okay? Headrests flat. Okay, so now let's put your feet in the straps, both sides. Go ahead. And then let's have our legs in frog position. So frog, from tabletop, you just open to a V shape, and the knees open to shoulder in, but hips and knees still at 90 degrees. Okay, so let's find our frog position first. Okay. Now first, movement is called the short spine. We do it step by step. First, we press out the legs and point the feet, but keep your feet in that V shape. Okay, so make sure you feel that tension all along the leg and don't let the knees bend. Now from here, you lift the legs up. Try your best to keep your tailbone down as much as you can, go to 90 degrees. And then we allow the hips to roll up and bring the feet behind the head. So we don't push up yet. We return the carriage back to the stopper by rolling back the spine. So you want to lift your hips. Use your abdominals, yes, to roll up. Lift your hips off the mat and bring the carriage back. Now from here, try to keep the carriage still and keep tension in the straps. Let's lift our hips up higher, higher, higher. Articulate the spine. Use your back muscles to support your spine. Okay, keep tension in the straps and then bend the legs to frog position, 90 degrees only. The hips stay up. From here, we articulate down, bring our knees to the chest, and try to keep our knees more relaxed to allow the carriage to slowly stay still. Now from there, you go back to frog position in one smooth motion. Find your tailbone down, find your neutral spine, go back to 90 degrees on both the knees and the hips. Okay? Let's do it 2 more times. We push out and point. Keep the feet in the V shape, point the feet. Now lift up to 90 without rolling first. Keep your tailbone pressed down and feel that stretch on the hamstring. Now we slowly use the abs. Use the arms to roll back. Okay, so bring your feet behind the head. So just rolling back and return the carriage all the way back to the stopper, if you can, all the way back. Now from here, articulate up, pushing against the straps, maintaining tension, and then you bend to frog position in the air. The hips up. Now you articulate down and keep your feet over the head. So your left leg, open up the knees a bit until your tailbone is on the mat. When your tailbone is on the mat, you go to frog position in one motion. Okay, so let's all go to frog first. Use your abs, use your legs. We'll do it one last time. We push out and point. Okay? Squeeze the abs and lift. So here the abdominals are always working the front and the back. And then we roll over. Bring the feet over summer if you can. And then lift up higher. Without pushing, without pushing. Okay, now from here, head to front. Keep tension in the straps. Exhale, articulate the spine, and keep the feet just over the head first. Relax the knees. When your tailbone is mostly down, you go to frog position. One motion. Okay, let's take off the straps. And then we're going to go on to the knees. Okay, straps back, feet back on the bar. Let's bring the carriage back, and then let's get down. Okay, good. So let's stand down. Let's return the boxes back first to the ends here before we change the straps. Okay, and then we'll have our foot bars down. We'll have one blue, one red. Sorry, one blue, one yellow. Not red. One blue, one yellow. One red, one yellow, and then we will sit facing the curtain. Sit on the carriage facing the curtain with your legs in between our shoulders. Okay. Okay, so legs straight. And then don't sit too close to the gap. Scoot forward a bit. So leave some space between your hips and the gap. So you will be able to roll down and send your tailbone to the left. Okay, so we should leave some space, around 4 to 5 inches of space between your hips and the gap. Okay, now let's grab the straps from the holders. Let's use the big straps. And then let's straighten our position. So sit upright. Make sure your back is fully straight and pointing up. And then arms are pointed to the front with the palms facing in. Okay, so for this whole movement, we focus on our shoulder stability. So make sure that your shoulder blades are not lifting, not shrugging, and not moving all around the place. So first, we pull the straps into our chest. Knuckles pointing to each other, but keep the shoulders relaxed. Now bring our straps with you as you roll down. Scoop the abs, down, down, down. Scoop the abs, round your spine, but don't let your chest drop too low. Keep your chest up, keep your head up. Okay, if you drop too low, it's going to be too hard. Now from here, you stay in that position, the carriage will not be moving. You open the arms out to the sides and turn the palms behind the body, fingers facing back. Okay, and then you dive forward. Bring the hands behind and bring your body to the front, still in that curve, and then try to touch your hands behind the body. Now from here, you keep the arms up as we bring them to the front. Keep your arms at shoulder height, and then go back to your starting line. Articulate your spine to a straight upright position. Okay? Again, we inhale to bend. Now take the straps with you. Exhale, roll down. Tailbone to the bed, chest up, rounded spine, shoulder blades stable. Inhale, open the arms without moving the carriage. Point back, fingers back. Okay, again, without moving. You dive forward, bring the chest to the front, bring your hands behind the body and just touch. And then lift the arms up to shoulder height as you bring the arms forward and place the palms in. And then you articulate the spine one by one until you are neutral. Let's do it 2 more times. Inhale and bend. Exhale and roll down. Scoop the abs. Feel that engagement. Feel that stability in your spine. Now inhale, open. So we're not lying down here. Chest is up, head is up. And then exhale to dive. Inhale to return the arms to the front. The arms up at shoulder height, and then exhale to articulate. Let's do it one last time. We inhale to bend. We exhale to roll down. Scoop the abs, keep your chest up. Okay. Shoulders stable, and inhale open.